Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add overlay in CapCut. So for this you have to turn on your CapCut, and for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the CapCut, and once you click on the CapCut it will simply open this interface. Then you have to click on the import, and after you click on the import you can just simply upload the video file that you would like to edit. So for example, I would like to place this one to here, and once you place to this one to here you can see the video is already placed here, and the second video that you would like to press here is the second one from the right hand side. And make sure that if you would like to use those video that you would like to edit, you have to first import those one, and make sure that all of the videos that you are currently using for your edit is already imported. And then if you upload the second one from here you can see we have already upload the second one from here, and then you can just make sure that the size is just same as the second one. Since the both of the video size have same size, that's why it's not showing the second below the background one. So you can just scale it out, and there you can see, and size it according to your preferences. So that's how you can easily place your overlay in CapCut. Thank you very much for watching this video.